females, they don't have a long tail.
Mm-hmm.
So the moment you see like a bird with no tail, it's slightly brown, that's
Mm-hmm.
the female. You sort of caught it before it just gets jumped.
Does that have infinite storage capacity for this stuff? Okay.
Is he gonna jump again, do you think?
Maybe. Because
You
it's
got
the-
it already.
It's the others they are jumping, so you might not do it again. Here we go. Okay, here is the female.
Oh.
Do you see the female?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, fight. Go, go, go. Calm it down. Oh, female's gone. Jump. Attract them. Have a mate.
Send this to Peg. Does she know the name? You know the name?
Can you say the name of the bird again?
Jackson window bat.
You'll never-
Jackson Widow.
You'll never remember. I didn't bring a pencil.